Well, I thought since they did not answer the complaint, we have the absolute right to file an amended complaint without leave of the court. And they never answered the complaint.
The landlord tenant proceeding, they can answer orally. Jeez, and Pete. No. Okay. On this matter, then, this is the date and time set for trial on the Seminole matter. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead.
Your Honor, we have filed a motion to amend our complaint to include a complaint for damages, and I received no response from the defendant.
When was the motion filed?
You can go yesterday.
You guys get a copy?
It was addressed on May 21st.
I don't see a copy of a motion.
I can approach the bench and give a copy.
Do you see it in our thing that it was filed? You do? Yeah.
I have a note on May 20th, plaintiff submitted the motion to amend. It may have been filed in Saline. Why did you reach out to obtain a copy? Do you need me to reach out to obtain a copy?
I've got one in front of me. When did you guys get a copy of this?
It was dated May 21st, 2024.
Say a few days
A
after
few
that.
days after that, yeah.
And what?
Just before heading into Memorial Day weekend. This-
21st?
Yeah, this was dated May 21st.
For what date did you, the postmark? What is that?
Postmark on May 21st right here is the date that it was sent out.
So this is raising issues that they're entitled to answer regarding the security deposit.
Well, the lease provides that the security.
It doesn't matter what the lease is. I'm talking procedurally. You're raising claims regarding the security deposit at this late stage.
Well, they didn't leave a forwarding address, Your Honor.
Well, but that would precisely my point. They would be in, you haven't alleged that they haven't in this alleged amended complaint. You're just alleging a claim against the security deposit. Because I think as we were here at the last hearing, when we were talking briefly about it, they had indicated that they had provided a forwarding address.
I do not believe that's what they said. I believe.
That is exactly what, is that what you said?
Your Honor,
No, I don't, just answer my question.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's exactly what they said.
They did not, Your Honor. They said that he knew where we moved.
Mr. Alice, they said it the last time. I just said it. I asked them to verify that my recollection of what they said is correct. If you have a dispute regarding the facts, fine. But if you're telling me that my recollection is incorrect, you're wrong. They said it. You may disagree, that's fine, but that's an element of any claim against a security deposit, which is precisely what I'm saying. Procedurally, this is a problem. It's been pending. They're entitled to answer, first of all, the motion to amend, and this is the procedural route. They're entitled to answer the motion to amend. They haven't been provided. Was this mailed to them?
Yes.
You know, under the court rules, that's not enough time. You can't mail it. Says on the 17th. They don't get it till then, so they're entitled to answer the motion, and then they'd be entitled to answer the complaint if I were to allow them it to proceed. Folks, do you know what you want to do on the motion? That was an unfair question. Folks, do me a favor. Can you look at that amended complaint for me? And look at paragraph 3. You see it, the numbers that are there? All right. Without telling me why, because you don't, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. Are you disputing the electricity?
It's the electricity.
The electricity amount?
We had no collection of that electricity until the last hearing. So we had no opportunity to even pay Mr. Stemmer back for that.
Okay, but
We won't
let me,
I don't have a problem with that.
pardon?
I have no problem disputing that. That's fine.
You have no problem disputing it, or you
Not
have no problem with that amount? Okay,
every year.
that's fine. That's fine. The $2,400 in rent, are you disputing that?
Yes, sir.
the propane, which we talked about, is obviously in dispute. And as I recall, at the end of the hearing, you're disputing the paint damage. Mr. Ellis, why should I allow this amendment at this late date?
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Why should I allow this amended complaint? Because it raises new claims.
Well, I thought since they did not answer the complaint, we have the absolute right to file an amended complaint without leave of the court. And they never answered the complaint.
The landlord tenant proceeding, they can answer orally. Jeez, oh Pete. Know the procedure. Walk in, counsel. Court's gonna stand in recess. Sir, did you have a problem hearing?
Yes.
We have equipment that I'll have my staff provide to you so that you can hear the proceedings. Thank you.
All rise. Ely District Court for County of Contact Session, the Honorable Judge J. Sedgwick.
May be seated. All right, on the Lewis Loudon matter. Ms. Loudon finally contacted the court, and it seems that I think her first hearing may have been set for 11. So she thought today was set for 11.
Coming in 11.
She's on her way down. She's trying to get an Uber to get here and is extremely apologetic about it. We suspect, after the call to the clerk's office, that she may have been looking at her prior notice for time. Okay.
What choice do we have?
You're asking me that? I've got quite a few, but I don't know what choice you have, but all right. So pardon?
She'll be here by 11, all goes well.
I'd like to say yes, but I'm not driving her.
Oh.
So what I will say is she's trying to get here. What we indicated is for her not to even try to wait till 11. That is to get here as soon as she can, but we're almost at that point anyway. Okay, very good.
So I now have an email from her.
Hold on.
I
Go
now
ahead.
have an email from her indicating that
One
she's not
second.
sure if she's
Barb.
gonna be able to get a ride because her.
Barb.
Hold
She's
on.
wondering if today could be rescheduled. Would you like me to give her the
She-
Zoom?
what?
That she doesn't drive because she has cervical spine issues and she's having a very hard time getting an Uber. She's wondering if today can be rescheduled.
Okay. Okay, we just got an email from her saying, because of medical issues, my understanding is she doesn't drive. So she indicates that she's going to have a hard time getting here. I don't know what that means. She then requested to have it rescheduled. I will, Ms. Martin, you've been here since this morning, so I'll leave it to you to certainly give me your input as to whether or not you want me to tell her that she needs to get down here, or would you like it rescheduled? Whatever you guys would like to do.
What time, when would it be rescheduled to, Your Honor? What's your calendar look like?
Yeah. That's a good question. What date?
You have next Tuesday, June 4th, 9 a.m. Is the date?
I do.
Yes.
I can do next week at 9,
Which is the
4th. Or, what's it?
June 18th, and I would be the next.
So the 4th or the 18th, whichever you,
Because I'm not available on the 11th anyways.
okay. Well, then set it for the 11th. No, oh, no, that's fine.
All right, the 4th is fine.
The 4th? Okay,
At 9.
9. So,
And she'll know when it's at 9. All right, the court will
I
communicate.
got enough problems with my schedule. You're not gonna put that on me. Can we, let her know?
I will respond to the email.
Okay, so we'll do that. June 4th at 9.
I'd like to approach the bench on something else.
You may. Thank you, folks, for your patience.